Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send invoice on Wix. Let's begin. Sending invoices on Wix offers a range of benefits, especially for small businesses, freelancers, clients, and online entrepreneurs. Depending on how you set up your Wix account, for you to be able to send invoices, is you just have to click on the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be an option that says getting paid. You see, there's going to be an option that says invoices. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this dashboard where you can send invoices and get paid. Create invoices for your services, especially if you're a freelancer or an online entrepreneur. For the products or service you provide, you can request payments from your customers and get paid online, manage and track all your invoices in one place. All right. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is click the Get Started option here. What would happen is you would be forwarded to this section wherein you need to enter your business name and your business email address. In my case, I'm going to add my own logo. I'm going to choose the Deep Laughs logo. I'm going to enter the business email address. And I'm going to click the add and continue. What will happen is you will be forwarded here in this section. Now, this is going to be an option for you to tweak some settings if you wanted. For example, in the customer, you can choose a contact. All right. If you don't have one yet, you might want to click on the new customer. Of course, all you have to do is put in the name. Now, is it going to be primary email? Let's say there's going to be an option set here that says never subscribed, or unsubscribe. Click on the subscribed. If you wanted to add more email, you are welcome to do so by clicking on this button right here. You can put in the primary phone number, and add a phone if you wanted. You can put in the address, and on the assignee, you might want to put in assigned to me or assign contacts to your team to better manage customer relationships. Assign contacts to your team members. Okay. If you wanted to add label, for example, is it going to be a customers or who contacted you? So I'll leave that to you. If you wanted to add a new field, you can put in the email, phone, address, company, position, language, linked location, VAT ID, birth date, and a custom field. I'll leave that for you for now. But we're going to add a new contact for now. And what will happen is it would be forwarded here again. I'm going to exit this one for now. And if you wanted to edit the customer info, you can do so again, but you will be forwarded to the same option earlier. All right. The invoice title is going to be something like. Now, on the products or services, you can add an item. All right. Now, give this an item. For example, this is going to be like video production cost, because we are a team of individuals who work for the Deep Laughs channel. We are here to give you tutorials to solve your problems quickly. Description is going to be this. Price is going to be that. Click on save and add. And as you can see, you can add discount if you wanted. Okay, so after that, you can put in a note. You are not limited. You can put in a link. Now on the link, what will happen is you can put in the URL where this link should go. All right, for that to happen, for example, you wanted to have a customized kind of PDF. So what I'm going to do is switch over to the other platform that I'm using to optimize my invoice, which is going to be Canva. Going to click on upload, and then here, all right, I can save it as a PDF, PNG, and a lot more. But what I'm going to do is click the see all option, and I'm going to click on create a website. Now, once I've copied the link, I'm going to put in this. All right. So if they wanted like a hard copy for that, if you wanted to print, and from here, all I have to do is click on the send invoice. All right. If you wanted to preview that, want to make sure that everything is okay. All right. So it seems like it's all good. Click on send invoice. Now, doing so allows you to create branded, professional looking invoices with your business logo. All right. Giving a polished and trustworthy impression to clients. By clicking send an invoice through Wix, now clients can pay directly online to you. All right. So it doesn't matter if you click on the more actions here. You can manage the recurring invoices, view reports, accept payments, and update the invoice settings. Because if you do, you see, this is going to be the example. You have the header details. You can put in the invoice number, right? You can say, for example, I'm going to start with the this. You can edit the logo of your business info in settings. If you click that, you would be forwarded to the same option earlier. And these are going to be the header fields. You can put in tracking number, reference number, and a lot more. You can also put in a new field if you wanted. If you think that it's not enough for the business info, it's that. You have the tax display right here, payments received, and the footers note at the bottom. Now, on the subject, you can also customize all of this. The subject line and message can be changed later for each single payment invoice you send. All right. Now, the idea is if you wanted to save this for now, I'm going to click on save and head back again to the settings. Go to invoices. As you can see, creating and sending invoices through Wix is quick and user-friendly. This saves time compared to manual invoicing, especially if you send multiple invoices each month. Now, if you wanted to get paid online, you need to upgrade with a premium plan that allows you to accept payments. If you click that, you would be forwarded here in the business or in the subscription plans, wherein you can provide multiple payment options to your clients, such as credit cards, PayPal, or even installments, if supported, making it convenient for the people that you are transacting with by providing all of these, all right? But of course, if you don't have that option, just focus on the amount sending invoice. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.